Hello, my name is Muhamad Fauzi. I am an undergraduate student from Physics Department, State University of Malang, offering D. I make this video in order to complete my English for physics text that belongs to Mr. Nurul class. So, in other words, all the content that is included in this video also belong to Mr. Nurul English for Physics class. What is a magnetometer? Magnetometer is a device used to measure magnetic fields near objects. The magnetometer is an instrument with a sensor to measure flux density B. The speed of magnetic flux in the air is directly proportional to the strength of the magnetic field, so that it can detect fluctuation in the earth plane. Second, magnetometer instrument. Materials that distort magnetic straight lines are known as magnets. For example, magnetite, which has its own magnetic field and very high magnetic power. These materials can create distortion in the magnetic flux of the earth that flows around it. The magnetometer detects this distortion. Magnetometer type number 1, vector magnetometer for measuring flux density values in certain directions in three-dimensional space. Number 2, a scalar magnetometer that only measures the size of a vector that passes through a sensor regardless of its direction. The working principle of the magnetometer. The working principle of the magnetometer uses the Hall effect. According to the Hall effect, is a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field. The voltage generated in the conductor is perpendicular to the current and magnetic field. How is the voltage generated? There are thin metal sheets that are connected to the current source. Electrons move across thin metal sheets and are distributed evenly across the entire sheet surface. If there is a magnetic field, the electron density changes and the electrons are not distributed unevenly. Because of this distribution, the stress produced across sheets metal is perpendicular to the magnetic field and current. Why does electron density change when a magnetic field is applied? Electric charges that move in force when they are in a magnetic field. The magnitude of this force depends on the magnetic field, charge and speed. The direction is perpendicular to the magnetic field and the charge particle speed. The charged particle is an electron and it has speed. When experiencing a magnetic field, they experience a force that is perpendicular to the speed and magnetic field, so that it divided from their path. As a result, electron density changes and creates a potential difference in sheet metal. By changing the amount of magnetic field or changing its direction, it causes changes in force vectors. When the value of the force changes, the potential difference also changes, giving the value and direction of the magnetic field. If the current remains constant and the magnetic field increases, that many electrons are distributed so as to increase the voltage. This principle is called the Hall effect. Magnetometer application. They are used for navigation purpose. They are used in anti-lock braking system in vehicles. Flux gate magnetometers have been used in space mission for magnetic field measurements. The magnetometer is used for mineral exploration, used to search world-class deposits of gold, silver, copper, iron, and etc. They are used in many defense applications, UAVs, submarines, etc. Magnetometers have found use in smartphones that have applications that function as compasses. Magnetometer function on a smartphone. The magnetometer provides simple orientation in relation to the Earth's magnetic field. As a result, your mobile always knows where north is from, so it can automatically rotate your digital map depending on your physical. Thanks for your attention. Don't forget subscribe, like, and comment. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.